Hey guys, Jason here. Today we're going to replace the lid switch on a Kenmore washer. You might need to replace the switch if the washer will not run. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a putty knife and a 1/4-inch nut driver. While you're getting those together, please remember to keep safety first. Always make sure to unplug your appliances before working on them.
You'll also want to turn off the water supply.
We're going to need to get into the console, so you need to use a putty knife here. On the left and right sides, you'll see a clip that holds the console to the cabinet. Slide the putty knife under the console about 1 inch from each end, then push the clip towards the back of the machine, while gently prying up and pulling forward to release one side. You'll need to do the same to the other side, and flip the console over. The lid switch will be in the back left corner of the cabinet. We need to disconnect the wire harness and remove the 1/4-inch screw for the ground wire. Then open the lid and press the clip holding the lid switch onto the cabinet and pull it out. Now you can install the new switch. Put the wire harness back on and secure the ground wire with the 1/4-inch screw. When you're done with that, you can flip the console back over. Then slide the tabs into the bottom of the console into the holes in the top of the cabinet. After that, just push down the console till it locks in place and you're done.
Don't forget to plug the washer back in or turn your breaker back on, as well as turning the water supply back on.
If you need a replacement lid switch, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to get a new one. Most orders arrive in 2 business days, and we have tons of videos to help you install your new parts. In the meantime, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll see all our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.